welcome to the Fundamentals of Silversmithing. I am Masani.Live, your instructor. Let me tell you a little bit about me. In 1985, I made and sold jewelry on the Lower East Side of Manhattan. After 2 years of selling jewelry, I realized that I didn't have a full understanding of the business aspect of the arts. So I applied to Pratt Institute in Brooklyn, New York, and in the fall of 1987, I was a full-time fashion merchandising student. I graduated from Pratt Institute in the summer of 1991 with a Bachelor's of Fine Arts degree in fashion merchandising. Shortly after that, I received a position from the New York City jewelry designer Robert Lee Morris as a bench jeweler, where I learned the bulk of my technical jewelry skills. In 1998, I left Robert Lee Morris and formed my own jewelry company located in Brooklyn, New York, Masani Wearable Sculpture Jewelry. My creations can be seen at several boutiques in Brooklyn and Manhattan. In this course, I'll show you many different techniques to get you started making your own silver jewelry from start to finish. By the end of this course, you'll have a sound foundation of creating your own one-of-a-kind silver art jewelry creations that will not only look great, but function properly. Let's get started.